very good morning to 5th class. So, we will complete the chapter 9, Other Sides of Scientists today. We have already discussed the new words and we have learned about the scientists Euclid and Darwin. Now, let us see one more example. Pasteur's wedding day. Now, who is Pasteur? It was the wedding day of the famous French chemist Louis Pasteur. Now, Louis Pasteur is one of the famous French chemists, right? He was the one who had made invention regarding the vaccinations and pasteurization. So, he was one of the famous chemists of France. The bride and her family were nervous as the bridegroom had not arrived. Now, it was the wedding day of the famous French scientist Louis Pasteur, and this bride and her family were nervous because the bridegroom was Louis, and he did not arrive in his own marriage. Bridegroom ही गायब था. That means दूल्हा ही शादी में नहीं आया हुआ था. ब्राइड और उसकी फैमिली नर्वस हो गई. So let us see what happened next. A friend of Pasteur hurried to laboratory hoping to find him there. Sure enough, he was busy with an experiment. So look here, it was the wedding day of Pasteur's and he was missing from his own wedding, and what he was doing? He was doing his experiment in his laboratory. And the friend found him there, and what he asked, did you forget your wedding? Asked the friend. And what he asked, did you forget your wedding? This is your wedding day. Today is your wedding. Oh no, replied Pasteur, and he really forgot that today was his wedding and he was busy in doing his experiment. But do you expect me to quit in the middle of an experiment? And what he is asking, okay, it's okay, I forgot, but now you are expecting me that I should leave in middle of this experiment? So he was so dedicated to his work that he even forget that today was his marriage. And then when his friend came and he just got notice, he noticed that today was his wedding day, but even though he did not wanted to leave his lab because he was doing an important experiment. So great people does not become in one day. They have to work hard continuously. एक्सपेरिमेंट्स होते हैं, इन्वेंशंस होते हैं, बहुत सारे फेलियर्स होते हैं, तब जाके कोई एक नई चीज बनती. ओके, एंड वी हैव टू बी keep on trying and trying, right? That is what Pasteur is teaching us. Now the next example is about some of the famous scientists, that is Albert Einstein. So let us see the arithmetic class, that is a math class. Once a little school girl was having some difficulty with her homework in arithmetic. So there was a little girl and she was having some difficulty. उसको problem हो रही थी अपने maths homework को related, arithmetic, that is maths. So what did she do? On hearing that a very famous mathematician who was also a very handful man stayed close by, she went to him for help. So what did she hear? उसने सुना कि उसके घर के पास ही कोई बहुत ही फेमस मैथमेटिशियन रहता है और वो हेल्पफुल भी है. तो वो जल्दी से अपना होमवर्क लेके, छोटी सी लड़की अपना होमवर्क लेके उनके पास चली गई टू गेट हेल्प फ्रॉम हिम. When the old man had explained everything patiently, the little girl went back home and told her mother that she had found it easier to understand him than when her teacher had explained it in school. So what happened? She went to Albert Einstein and she asked for help. And what did he do? Even though he was so busy, right, because he is one of the greatest scientists and he was so busy, he got ready to help the little girl. और उसको बहुत ही patiently उसने arithmetic के sum समझाए. And she was very happy. And when she get back to the home, जब वो अपने घर वापस आई, then what did she tell her mother? That the man has explained her in an easy method, and it was very easy to understand for her from the old man than from her teacher. टीचर जितना अच्छे से समझाती उससे भी इजी वे में ये ओल्ड मैन ने इनको, मैथमेटिशियन ने इनको समझाया था. The old mathematician was none other than the famous scientist Albert Einstein. And who was the famous mathematician? He was Albert Einstein. You all know Albert Einstein. He is so famous, right? So he was so down to earth, right? ही वॉज सो डाउन टू अर्थ, वो इतने हेल्पफुल और हम्बल थे दैट ही डिडंट हेजिटेटेड टू टीच मैथ्स टू अ लिटिल गर्ल, राइट, सेकेंड थर्ड की छोटी लड़की को मैथ्स, ही वॉज नॉट दैट, he was that humble, right, and kind. When the little girl's mother heard of this, she went to him to apologize for inconvenience caused. जब उनकी मदर को पता चला उस गर्ल की that she went to Albert Einstein, she went to his house to apologize. उसने सॉरी बोलने के लिए गई बिकॉज इतने बिजी शेड्यूल में उसकी बेटी ने आके उनको इनकन्वीनियंस, उनका टाइम वेस्ट किया, इसीलिए वो माफी मांगने गई. But Einstein replied, "You don't have to apologize. I have certainly learned more from the conversation with the child than she did from me." And what did he do? He said that I have learned more from the child. I have learned more from the child than what she learned from me. उन्होंने क्या कहा कि जब मैं उसे पढ़ा रहा था तब मैंने उसने जितना सीखा उससे ज़्यादा सीखा. तो that humble was Albert Einstein, right? So this is a small incident from his life. Now one more we have about Sir Isaac Newton. Now you all know about the Newton law, right? The Newton theories, the Newton laws, and he is one of the greatest scientists of all. And he was a human scientist. Human, what do you mean by compassionate? That means kind. लोगों के लिए दया भाव रखना, काइंडनेस होना, कंपैशनेट, दूसरों की प्रॉब्लम को समझने वाला, ऐसा आइजैक न्यूटन था. तो लेट अस सी वन ऑफ द स्मॉल इंसिडेंट ऑफ हिज फ्रॉम हिज लाइफ व्हिच विल टेल अस मोर अबाउट हिम. सर आइजैक न्यूटन, द ग्रेट इंग्लिश फिजिसिस्ट एंड मैथमेटिशियन who discovered gravity, was once compiling the notes on all the research he had conducted over the course of 20 years. So what he was doing, once he was compiling, वो सारे ही उसके जो notes थे जो 20 years में उन्होंने researches की थी, वो सारे notes ढंग से वो compile कर रहे थे. That means वो set कर रहे थे, जमा रहे थे. As usual, his dog Diamond slept nearby while he was busy at work. And as usual, he has a pet dog and his name was Diamond. वो जहाँ पर वो काम करते थे वहीं वो सो गया. As usual, रोज वो वहीं सो जाता. While he was busy at work, Newton worked all day, so he was busy. See, he has done a lot of researches in last 20 years. So वो सारे papers कितने होंगे उनको ढंग से बिल्कुल compile करना. So he was so busy and he was busy all day. He worked all day. And when the sun went down, he lit a few candles and continued his work. Even though it was night, पूरा दिन हो गया काम करते, फिर भी उसका काम खत्म नहीं हुआ था. He was working and that time there was no electricity, so he just lit the candles. Suddenly he heard a knock at the door and he went to answer it after closing the door behind. And when that time when he was doing the work, someone knocked at his door and what he do? He just go to see who was there. Suddenly he heard knock at the door and he went to answer it after closing the door behind him. And he just went outside and door was closed. When the Diamond heard strange voices, he woke up and he was talking to someone. कोई आया था और उनसे आइजैक न्यूटन बात कर रहे थे, लेकिन डायमंड क्या था, सो रहा था. And he heard some strange noises. The door was closed. जब वो बाहर गए तो उन्होंने दरवाजा बंद कर दिया था. So Diamond was not able to see that whether his master was okay or not. वो देख नहीं पा रहा था, वो सिर्फ सुन पा रहा था. So वो पैनिक हो गया. He got panicked. When Diamond heard strange voices, he woke up and panicked. He panicked. वो घबरा गया because he did not see his master around. Because he did not see his master around, he can hear some voices. So he got panicked. वो डर गया. He started barking in excitement and apparently collided against Newton's study table and upset the candle on the table. Now what happened? He started barking continuously and collided with the table. उसने क्या कर दिया? उस टेबल से टक्कर खा गया. मतलब he just collided. उन्होंने उसको धक्का दे दिया गलती से टेबल को, और टेबल की जो कैंडल थी वो गिर गई. किस पे गिरी? When Newton came into the room, he saw that all the notes he was working on were reduced to the ashes. और जब न्यूटन वापस आए तो उन्होंने क्या देखा कि जो भी नोट्स पे वो काम कर रहे थे वो सब कुछ जल के ऐश तक हो गई थी. That means सब कुछ जल के राख हो गया था. As Diamond came rushing towards him, He stroked the dog's head gently. और उन्होंने फिर भी डायमंड ने जब आइजैक को देखा, so he got relaxed and he just rushed towards his master. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, डायमंड को gently उसके head पे he just stroked him, right? You see how he stroke on a dog's head. वैसे ही stroke किया और क्या कहा उसे, oh diamond, thou little knowest the mischief thou hast done. और वो क्या कह रहे थे कि oh diamond, thou is a word in English or Latin English, you can say, it refers to you. So what he is saying, oh diamond, you little know the mischief you have done, have done. So what he was saying कि तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है कि इस बार तुमने कैसी मिस्टेक कर ली, तुमने कैसी शरारत कर ली है, तुमने मेरे सारे नोट्स, मेरी 20 years के रिसर्च के नोट्स सारे जला दिए हैं. Because of your mischief, because of this mischief, you don't know, and you are so innocent that you don't even know. So look at Isaac. उन्होंने बिल्कुल उस पर गुस्सा नहीं किया, because he knew that his dog has not done it intentionally. वो गलती से हो गया है. So he just told him that this time you have done a mischief that is it is a different mischief, and you even don't do what you have done. So this was the humane scientist, that is the compassionate scientist, जो अपने pet के लिए भी इतना compassionate था. So he was a great man. Now one more is about Flemings. Alexander Fleming thoughts at breakfast. So Fleming अपने breakfast के time क्या सोच रहा है? Let us see. This is one of the incidents of his life. Sir Alexander Fleming, who discovered penicillin. Now what is penicillin? Penicillin is an antibiotic, one of the important antibiotic. जो हम दवाइयाँ लेते हैं, antibiotics लेते हैं, जिससे हमारी कोई भी जो बीमारी होती है, सर्दी जुकाम, वो ठीक हो जाती है. उसी टाइप का एक एंटीबायोटिक है पेनिसिलिन, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, और विच वॉज डिस्कवर्ड बाय अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग. was once forced into an interview in New York by two journalists just as he was about to have a breakfast. और see, ऐसे लोगों का इंटरव्यू लेने के लिए लोग बहुत ही कोशिश करते हैं, एंड व्हेन इफ दे गेट अ चांस दे डोंट लीव इट. तो उनको फोर्स किया था दो जर्नलिस्ट ने कि आप प्लीज हमको इंटरव्यू दे दो. ही सेड दैट आई एम वेरी बिजी, आई एम हैविंग अ बिजी शेड्यूल. तो उन्होंने कहा कि आप अभी दे दो. दैट मीन्स ही वाज अबाउट टू हैव ब्रेकफास्ट, और उसको इंटरव्यू के लिए ले गए. वन ऑफ देम आस्क्ड हिम, सर व्हाट आर यू थिंकिंग अबाउट राइट नाउ. तो व्हाट ही वाज सेइंग दैट आप अभी क्या सोच रहे हैं सर. We wish to know that what a great scientist think while getting ready for the breakfast. And what he asked him, that we want to know that what a great scientist like you thinks when he is going for breakfast, when he is getting ready to go for a breakfast. जब वो breakfast खाने जाने के लिए ready हो रहे थे, तो वो क्या सोचते हैं, we want to know. Fleming mused a while. Mused means thought. Fleming thought a while on the question and replied, I am thinking of something very special. The journalists who were all the ears drew themselves forward. और जब उन्होंने कहा बहुत स्पेशल बारे में, बहुत ही स्पेशल थिंग के लिए बारे में मैं सोच रहा हूँ, then everyone got alert and they were just wanted to hear what he was thinking. And what he said, I am thinking whether to have one egg or two. And what he is saying, I am thinking that I should have one egg or two egg in the breakfast. So he was thinking as a common man, right? So they were all surprised. So this is one of the incident from Sir Alexander Fleming, who has discovered the antibiotic penicillin. Now there is one more example of Srinivas Ramanujan. Srinivas Ramanujan is one of the famous Indian mathematicians. So there is one incident from his story, the boy genius. He was genius since when he was a small boy. So let us see. A mathematics teacher teaching in the 8th standard in a small school in South India was telling the class that any number when divided by the same number becomes unity, that is 1. So the Ramanuj was in class 8th, and his teacher, math teacher, was teaching them, and what he was saying that when we divide a number with the same number, that is if I divide 4 with 4, I'll get 1, that is unity. Whenever a number is divided by itself, we get 1, right? So that we all know. So that the sir was teaching to them. A thin dark eyed boy, एक बहुत ही thin dark eyed boy खड़ा हो गया. His name was Srinivasa. Asked, sir, is that true for 0 of 0 to? और उन्होंने क्या पूछा कि सर ये 0 के लिए भी true है क्या? If I divide 0 with 0, I'll get 1. Is it possible if I divide 0 with 0, we get 1? No, it is only a 0. If we divide 0 with 0, then it will be 1. It will be 0, or it will be meaningless because we can't divide any number with 0. So what sir was telling me, if we divide any number with itself, it should be 1, but it is not true for 0. So master was left speechless. The master got confused because no one has asked such question, so he got confused. The boy was the Indian mathematical genius Srinivas Ramanujan, and he was the mathematical genius Srinivasa Ramanujan. So these are the stories of different scientists and famous mathematicians, and they inspire us in lot of way, right? So this is all for today. We will see the vocabulary and compression in our next video. Thank you.